There is a spike in flu cases in our state right now, and it is a warning that you have heard before. Get your flu shot. At the end of December, the Washington State Department of Health reported 20 deaths have been attributed to the flu in our state in 2017 to 2018, the flu season so far. That means 20 deaths just since October, and we still have a lot of flu season to go. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control reported this week that 36 states, including Washington now, are reporting widespread flu activity. In Seattle, for example, patient visits to the emergency department for flu symptoms are numbering about 6 per day. That's at Harborview Medical Center alone.
What we really want people to do is to stay home if they're sick, if they don't need medical attendance. Coming to the emergency room is not probably going to help most people. Now, if you do have medical problems or you're very young or very old, we definitely want you seen either by your primary care provider or another ambulatory clinic. And if you have severe symptoms, please do come to the emergency department.
So he says it is not too late to get the flu shot, and get it as soon as you can, because it does take about 2 weeks for the vaccine to reach its full potential in your body. Now, a lot of people have been asking, well, how effective is the vaccine if the season's already bad? Well, Australia's flu season happens before ours. They did report a severe flu season, and that data has led to estimates that the effectiveness of this year's vaccine there was only about 10%. That does not necessarily predict how the virus will act here in the United States and how people will react. The CDC suggests that last year's U.S. vaccine effectiveness was about 39%. It is a better predictor of this year's protection. If you would like to see more of our Healthy Living segments about the flu or other health stories, go to q13fox.com/healthyliving.
Well, if that still doesn't make you want to get the flu shot, one family has a terrifying warning. A California father is fighting for his life after ignoring flu symptoms and not getting the shot. He had chest congestion, a headache, and a body ache. But even though he was sick, he continued to work and he didn't rest. The next thing his family knew, they were in the emergency room and he had to be intubated and sedated. He was in renal failure and his white blood count was through the roof with severe pneumonia. His wife says the whole family opted out of the shot because the success rate was so low, and now she wishes she'd been more careful.
If you're sick, the first cough, I don't care if it's not the flu, go get seen just in case. You never know. He's my rock. He's the love of my life. You know, sole provider, great man. He's everything, everything.
Well, the couple has 4 children, and 2 of them also tested positive for the virus, but fortunately, they're going to be okay. As far as the dad, he is still in the hospital recovering. You got to be so careful. It can become pneumonia so quickly.
Yeah, you just can't mess around with it. And I like her advice. Even if it's a cough, go get it checked out. It's often hard to do. I think we all tend to be pretty stubborn when it comes to that.